There's another one leaving the workshop this morning, an absolutely beautiful black Mitsubishi GTO twin turbo. It's had a little bit of work done to it at the Dynodaze unit. It's had new front pads. It's had a custom Dynodaze mid box. So a little bit of exhaust work, under seal, basically all the health checks plus an MOT. What do you reckon, guys? You like it? I do. It's got pop-up headlights. What's not to like about it? Proper old school Jap. You like that, don't you, Rich?
It was nice to try one.
You enjoyed driving it though, you said it felt good. Beautiful motor. Yes. Yep, we do all sorts of Japanese stuff here at Dynodaze, so if you guys ever need anything, please do give us a shout. Even if it's retro, if it's brand new, our Richard will look after you. How are you supposed to read all of that whilst it's driving past you? It's got some nice wheels on it. Like I say, we've just fitted yellow stuff pads. 12 months ticket. Beauty.